Morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. We're alive and the COVID's not here. Keeping it out. Just being friendly to the neighbors. I'm allowed to walk my dog. I'm not coming in contact with other people. And according to the rules, we're supposed to stay on property. This is all Brentwood property. It's not like I'm not on the property, but I'm sorry. Being close to people right now is not what I want to do. So that is why I am way over here with my dog, because I don't want to be around people right now with COVID going around. But hang on, I just found some really neat flowers, so hang on. Sammy's loving this. Anyway, check these pretty yellow flowers out. Lilies, we got some, oh, we got a red cardinal in this tree. See if I can get a better shot. Oh, there he is. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm having a hard time seeing. There he is. I don't know where he went now. Oh, he's a happy cardinal. This is how Sammy rides on my lap. See how he's sitting? That's how he rides on my lap. But if I go really fast, he stands up. No, just lay there. But notice he does have his hand on the dial. So, he's driving. He thinks he's driving anyway. He has driven this chair before. Anyway, I'll be quiet and let y'all look around. This is a brand new house just built. And the other one next to it. Watch those go up in like a week. It's crazy. Let's see. I'm not sure who knows what about there he is. Anyway, see these leaves? This kind of tree right here, cedar waxwings go in this type of tree. I'm going to show you the whole tree. Cedar waxwings, those yellow birds with the, they're just stunning. If you've ever seen them, you know what I'm talking about. They're yellow and beige, and they are just beautiful birds. Anyway, they always sit in this tree about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can hear them. It sounds like we've been invaded. It's crazy. I found some more blue flowers. I've never seen so many blue flowers. Sheila's home. Oh, she's gonna flip. Hang on. She's gonna be so mad at me too. This is my best friend's house. I might have to call her. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Call Sheila fur baby. Go in your garage. Uh-huh. Go in your garage. I love you, bye. That's my best friend. Your bud.
Open explore page.
Uh-oh.
Get started.
Uh-oh. Oh, I can't get through. Sheila! I broke away. You're on video. Wave. We're staying social distancing. Say, wave! We're social distancing.
The things that you find in your driveway.
I know. And we just popped up. I miss you. I missed you.
I just don't want to see you through the screen.
There she is. That's my girl right there. That's my best friend in the whole world. Right there. Okay, we're shutting video.